everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing this cordless electric lunchbox. I'm so excited to try this. This is a quick sneak peek of how it looks, and I just cannot tell you how excited I am. I have like 5 and 10 2-year-old thermoses that they do the job, but I'm sure this is going to be so much better. Sometimes my food still gets cold because I'm in high school and I like to bring my own food there. I don't like buying the food there. I'm like a picky eater, so I just would rather prefer my food from home. So I'm just so excited to try this. Like, it comes with a handle, it looks like, and on this box there's a lot of information. I'm just going to read you the quick ones. So there's a LCD display, a 24-hour clock, food grade material. It comes with tableware, that's just perfect, and 100 watts fast heating. And then in the back it just talks about how much it weighs, the capacity, the charging, everything. So now I'm just going to open it up. It also says right here some more stuff. It says that it heat meals on the go, has a large capacity battery, meaning it's long endurance, it'll last a while, you don't always have to charge it and replace them. And it's dishwasher safe removal container, so you can put these in the wash instead of having to wash them by hand. So now let's just open up the box and see what comes inside. I just quickly put you guys down here and I opened the package and this is what I see. I'm honestly just so excited to try this. So let's open this up. I think this is like the case for it? I have no idea. Let's see. My parents do also go to work and they go there from like 7 to 4, 5. So they can use this to also bring their lunches. So this is like the container. It comes with a small mesh pit or mesh pocket over here. This is the handle. And yeah, and then you just put them right over here. But let's continue opening and seeing. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is crazy. Oh, and it's not that heavy. I thought this was gonna be so heavy. Wow, this is like really light. Like, I don't know how to show you it's light, but so here is a quick look. So it uses a USB charger right here, you can see. I'm just in shock, you guys. This is so cool to me. Here is the handle as well, and it looks like you open this. Wow, okay. Oh, wow. So this is the lid. Okay, and then inside it comes with a manual telling you about everything that you can possibly need. I'm sure this is the silverware if I had to take a guess. Yep. And they're metal, you guys. What? They're like mini metal ones. This is so cool. Oh, there's more in here. Okay. So it also comes with the USB charger. It has 2 USBs, so I have to plug it into that. I don't know what this is. I'm sure it's like oh, it's a divider. Okay. Also, inside, this is like where you heat it, and then right here's where you put it. So even if you want, you could heat your food, put it in here, and you could place some hot water just to keep it cold in here, hot in here, and you just slide it in. But there is more stuff in here actually. So, oh, it comes with the cube, which is, wow, it even came with the cube. This is so fancy. Okay, I'm going to set this up and show you how this works now. Now I'm going to show you how to adjust the heating time and the temperatures and the keep warm. So I'm just going to show you. So once you turn it on, you can see that there's nothing over here. You're going to click the setting buttons once, and now it's on keep warm. So it'll keep your food warm for up to 2 hours. Then if you click the settings again, it has the heating time, which you could put it to 30, 35, and then you just click OK to confirm it, and then put the arrow down, and you can change the temperature. It goes to 167 to 212, and you could change the temperature like this and then click OK, and now it'll heat up your food and keep it warm for 35 minutes. So if you know you have lunch in an hour, you could just quickly put this on so that your food is all ready and warm when it's time for lunch. The last feature is our timer. So here you can see I put it for 18, which is at 6 p.m. Let's say I want to have my dinner done at 6 p.m. You put the heating time to 30, so it'll start warming it up at 5:30. And you could also adjust the temperature to how hot you want your food. Instead of having to start it and then wait for it to warm up, it'll automatically do it for you. So you can choose if you want to be the one that sets the timer or if you want it just to automatically do it for you. Another thing I want to mention is when you have your food all warmed up and you are ready to eat, this is like a steam thing. Just use your fork. It might be hot, it might not be. And you just let the steam out so it's not as hot. And then just wait like a minute, 30 seconds, and you'll be good to eat. So this is the overall lunchbox. There is one more thing I forgot to mention. So on the top of your lunchbox, also this is what it comes in. It fits just perfect, and there's a little bit space, but it fits pretty snug. On the top here, you have this like little container, and here you could put your napkins, your utensils. That's why these are smaller, so they could fit in here. You just close it up. You can also put your divider in your food as well. Close it up. Put it in your lunchbox. And it is all ready to go. Also has a handle, which you could have just like this or like this if you want it longer, and you are ready to go. So if you're a person who whether just goes to school, work, and you just want something to keep your food nice and cold or hot, then I would definitely recommend trying this.